First you need to turn on the Hotspot on your smartphone. Now, turn on the Wi-Fi on your PC or laptop and connect to smartphone's Hotspot. Now, turn on data connection on your smartphone. Finally, open your browser on PC or laptop and check it. If there are any questions, please leave a comment below. Method 2. On this method, first connect your smartphone to computer or laptop through USB cable. Now turn on the USB tethering. If you didn't connect smartphone and laptop through USB cable, you can't turn on this feature. After you connect smartphone and laptop through USB cable, you can see like this. Now go to network feature in laptop. Here you can see like no internet if you didn't turn on data connection on your smartphone. Now turn on the data connection on your smartphone. Here you can see now it's connected. Then open your browser and check it. If there are any questions, please leave a comment below.